Hello, Indra speaking. How are you today? কি? No English. ভাই বাংলায় বল। Are you suffering from same problem? You want to practice your spoken English skill, but you have no one to practice. Even you can't find a partner to practice. Right? There are many people in your locality, but no one is interested in talking to you in English. They are very interested in talking to you in the local language. Right? It is very obvious problem the learners face. No issues with that. But how can you practice your spoken English skill? Right? No worries at all. Today I will provide you some basic simple points which are actionable, reasonable and applicable in your daily life. And with the help of these points, you will practice your spoken English skill without any partner. I guarantee you. So stay tuned with me. My name is Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indra. Now coming to my simple first point, that is start talking to yourself. Yes, start talking to yourself because self-talk is really important to develop your spoken English skill. And how do you start talking to yourself? I will suggest an interesting thing, that is use a mirror. Yes, use a mirror and stand in front of the mirror. Then choose a topic randomly, anything you want, and start speaking at least 3 minutes about the topic. Yes, but why should you follow this point? Because the scientific reason behind this is to watch talking to yourself and to listen yourself in front of the mirror. It seems that you are talking with a person. So this basic simple point will really help you to practice spoken English with yourself. And follow this point for only 30 days and you will realize the changes in yourself. After practicing for 30 days, you will be more confident to speak out English in front of the world. I guarantee you. So start talking to yourself today. Now coming to my second practical point, that is watch English movies, TV shows and imitate. Yes, start watching English movies, TV shows and imitate what you watch on TV, movies. Try to imitate every dialogue, every way of speaking, word to word and sentence to sentence in a proper way. Now the question is, why should you imitate? Suppose you know Hindi, right? Then I will ask you that how do you learn Hindi? Then you will say, when you were a baby, you used to listen to your parents and to your surroundings. Then you used to repeat the words, the sentence in an exact way, right? You used to imitate whatever you listen, isn't it? Same thing has to be done with English. You have to treat English as a first language. Then you will learn it properly. That's why I am suggesting you that try to imitate every dialogue, every way of speech, whatever you watch and hear on TV, English movies. Start watching English movies with Disney animated movies. Truly speaking, those are made for kids. That's why their dialogues are short and simple so that kids can understand. So start watching English movies with Disney animated movies. You have to imitate word to word, sentence to sentence. Then you will grab the language very fast in a proper way. So start watching English movies, TV shows today and imitate. Imitation is really important to learn any language. Even you can start English conversation also. There are plenty of English conversations in my channel. So you can check it out. I will provide the link in this description. Now coming to third practical point, that is read English storybooks loudly. Yes, read English storybooks loudly. Start reading English storybooks of children, because again those are written in a very simple, short way so that children can understand. Similarly, if you start reading with those books, you will grab the language in a simple way. So that you should start reading English storybooks. Now you have to read English storybooks for 20 minutes per day, and while reading, start recording this, and after reading, listen to the recordings. It will really help you to sound your word, to correct your pronunciation in a very way. Suppose you think that you have to give the stress on that word, then after first time you should read the books and you should give the stress on that word, so that in that way you will correct yourself immediately, and this will really help you to grow your confidence. So start reading English storybooks every day, and I will provide some English storybooks of children in this description. So if you want to buy those English storybooks, then you can check it out. Now coming to fourth practical point, that is use different application or Google. Yes, start using different application or Google to translate from your native language or from your local language to English. At the beginning, it will really help you to express your thoughts in English. Suppose you think a sentence in your local language, then use translator from your local language to English, then you will see the result. After that, you should speak out what you see in this application. I mean, after translating what you see in the application, you should speak out loudly that sentence. I think it will really help you at the beginning. So I think these reasonable points will really help you to practice your spoken English skill without any partner. So no need to worry. Now you can practice your spoken English skill at home without partner. So just follow these points properly, and after 1 month you will see the result. You will realize the changes in yourself. So just follow these points for 30 days. And if you want to know that how to start speaking in English, you can watch this video. Or if you want to know how can you improve your spoken English skill, you can watch this video. So stay safe, stay happy. See you soon in my next video. Bye.